Hey, what's up, guys? Ride Pros back again. Another bike for sale. Here's a 2000. This is a 2000 model Honda Goldwing Trike. It has the Champion Trike Kit on it. It's blue in color. It's a pretty nice bike. I need a front tire here pretty soon. We can always help you guys out with that. We do have a service shop here. A nice windshield on it. Front end is in good shape. Missing the little trim piece here. I actually might have that in the back. Double check. This is the SE edition. It does have reverse. It's got a bunch of little rock chips. Looks like at some point this piece here fell or yeah, it was run over or gone through. It's just because you could tell here all these scratches. Okay, so that does happen with these. They will fly off if you don't secure them very good. I've seen that happen before, so keep that in mind there. A couple little rock chips here. Some scuffs. Nothing too serious. It's got the Champion Trike Kit. Now this does have a solid axle. There's a little Tasmanian Devil and some other pinstriping here. Looks pretty good. You can always remove that. Very easy to do at home. It's got Bassani exhaust, trailer hitch. Here's some more scratches and whatnot here on this corner. Other side of the trike kit here in pretty good shape. Do have a broken piece here, I just noticed. So keep that in mind. That's kind of missing there. That's the reverse, obviously. Oh, there's another little crack here and one there. Okay, so a couple little fairing issues there, but it's all together. It's not gonna fly off or anything. So yeah, there it is. There's the seat. Looks like it's got a cover over the original or just some sort of aftermarket seat. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. Bike runs great. Check this thing out. 7,913 miles on this bike. I don't know if that's actual or not. Well, actually I do. The odometer, the title is exempt. The title's exempt. So as far as the true history of it, I'm not sure. But that's what it says. And over 10 years old, the miles gets exempt automatically here. So it's possible. Very, very low miles if it was. Everything works. It has reverse, got the radio. Nice color. You know, we priced it out. It's gonna be $7,900. We're taking into consideration some of the cosmetic issues, and so we're trying to sell it a little bit cheaper. If this bike didn't have any of those, it'd be a $10,000 bike. It is a 2000 model. So yeah, there it is, guys. Any questions about it, let us know. We're at 813-615-1700. Our website's www.myridepro.com. We have discounted shipping rates available anywhere in the United States. If you need help with that, just give us a call or shoot us an email, or just comment here below, and we'll be happy to get you an accurate quote right to your front door. Or you can always fly into Tampa Bay or drive to Tampa Bay and pick it up yourself. Bike runs good. It has been serviced, fresh oil change, and a tune-up. So that's all I got. It's definitely a good starter bike, good entry price. It's cheaper than some of the other ones online. It's a good color. All right, guys. 2000 Honda Goldwing Trike with a Champion Trike Kit. Thanks for watching.